everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox and I am back with another video. So in today's video we're going to talk about how to get a EIN, an employer identification number, for free. So if you're thinking about getting the EIN and someone's trying to charge you, watch this video right now. Get this EIN right now for free. Don't waste your time and don't waste your money. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to get it for free. So first, what is a EIN? If this is your first introduction to what is an EIN, it's an employer identification number, or such as EIN for short term, or the acronym, and is required to establish a business credit profile for your business. An EIN identifies the way the entity is to be taxed with the IRS. This number is needed for hiring, paying employees, and creating and opening a bank account under the entity name. So how to get an EIN for free? It is easier than everyone thinks it is. I have many of people saying, how do I get an EIN? Is it hard? I don't feel like doing paperwork, yada, yada, yada. Should I go through LegalZoom to get an EIN? No, do it for free, and I'll show you how in this video. So first, you will go to the irs.gov and file for a free EIN. Yes, IRS is giving out free EINs. If the IRS is not charging you, then no one else should be charging you for free. Make sure you file during business hours, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, Eastern time. The portal is only open during these business hours to file. So if you're trying to file at midnight, it's not going to work because the portal is closed. So just make sure you remember the business hours on when to file for the EIN. You can get an EIN without having a business license as well. You can get an EIN without having a business. A lot of people use EINs for contract work. So it all depends on what you are using this EIN for. But for this purpose, we're going to talk about getting the EIN with a business. Okay, make sure to keep a copy of your EIN when you get it and keep it in a safe place, because some business and lenders require proof from the irs.gov. Not just your EIN number, but they require the actual form that the IRS.gov issued you. So make sure you keep that form. You can either get it emailed or get it to you delivered online right away. Make sure you keep that in a drive, a safe place on your computer, or somewhere in an email that you'll never touch until you need it. Okay, make sure you have that information in a safe place because you never know when you need it. So step one, we're going to go right into the steps. You will go to irs.gov and you'll file for a free EIN. So I'm going to leave this link below exactly to the screen that I'm on, and you just click that link in the description that I have and follow these steps. Pause the video if you need to. So first, you'll go to irs.gov, or you'll go to the link in the description that I have. On the third section, you see where it says submit your application, apply online now. Click that button right there. Click begin application button right here in the middle, right after you read about the EIN assistant. Then once you read everything on this page, make sure you go to begin application. Also, if you're not comfortable sending information via the internet, you can download the Form SSS4 PDF file and you can apply that way as well, which I'll talk later on in the video. Step 3, you will want to select your entity legal structure. For business purposes, we're going to talk about a LLC. You could be a sole proprietor, a partnership, a corporation, a limited liability company, which is an LLC, an estate, a trust. I'm not sure which one that your business is structured under, but whatever your business structure is, you want to click it here and make sure it's determined here when applying for your EIN. Identify how many members and owners that are in the LLC and select the state that the business is physically located. So they basically want to know how many members are in your LLC. If it's just you, then you are considered a single member LLC. So just put one member. You are the member of the LLC, the owner, and also the employee. Please select the state of where your business is located. Make sure it's in the same state that you are physically located, because technically that is where your business is located. Just make sure that you have that correctly. The next page will want you to confirm your selection and identify which tax forms to apply for in your entity. So in instance, we're going to be talking about a single member LLC, and the IRS form 1040 is applicable. Okay, so please confirm your selection. If you are an LLC and you're a single member LLC, then you will have to fill out this form 1040, making sure that the LLC income expenses are reported on the owner member tax returns. Okay, just make sure you know that this is what you need to do when applying for a EIN. Select the reason you are requesting to obtain an EIN. The choices are starting a new business, hiring employees, banking purposes, change type of organization, or purchase active business. So just make sure you let them know why are you requesting a EIN for this LLC. Choose who will be responsible. So make sure that you know who's going to be responsible for your business. So, if it's you, then just click individual, or if it's an existing business, make sure you let them know what existing business it is. But in most cases, it's probably just you. Enter the information of the responsible party of the LLC. So you make sure you enter the individual's name and social security. So this would be, if you are the owner and you're also the member, this would be where you would put your information. If you are applying on behalf of someone else, then you will put their information. Enter where the entity is located. For example, we will be entering the address of the LLC. So just make sure if your LLC business has a physical address, make sure you put that. Okay. I did a video on how to build business credit, and I mentioned that you cannot put a P.O. box. They will deny it. So do not enter no P.O. boxes. It must be a U.S. address. It can be a virtual address. They will likely deny you. So make sure it's a real address or it's a virtual address, which I highly recommend if you don't have a physical address for your business, so that you can keep your home address separate from your business address, because this is public information. Okay. On the next web page, we will be entering the details of the entity. Okay. So make sure when you get here, it's going to ask basically the details of the entity again. In this example, we will be doing our model LLC. Enter the legal name, right? Make sure you enter the legal name of your LLC. It must match the articles of organization or filing form used when incorporating your business. You can also do a trade name, or you could do a DBA if you're doing business as another name. Make sure you enter the country where the LLC is located, the state, the territory, and also the start date, okay? And then once you enter all the information, make sure you select continue when you're ready. The IRS will ask generic questions that pertain to specific tax matters. The questions on the first page of the questioning: tell me more about the LLC. Okay, so they're going to ask you, do your business own a highway motor vehicle with the taxable gross weight of 55,000 pounds or more? Does your business involve gambling? Does your business need to file a 720? So this is information that you may want to consult with a CPA. And does your business sell or manufacture alcohol, tobacco, or firearms? Do you have or do you expect to have any employees who receive forms of W-2 in the next 12 months? If you're a single member LLC, then that may not be, these questions may be all no, depending on what industry you're in. I'm not sure if you own highway motor vehicles or if your business involve gambling or of some sort, but just make sure you answer it truthfully. So make sure you select the business purpose from one of the following. So what does your business or organization do? So make sure you click your industry. If your industry is not in this particular category, then make sure you just click other, and then it will prompt you to actually write what industry you're in. But you need to make sure that you know your industry before getting into this situation, because this industry is going to basically be attached to your EIN number. So you don't want to have different types of industries. So make sure you know what industry you're in, so that when you do create this EIN is correct. Step 13. So on the last step, you want to select whether you would like to receive this letter in mail. So if you choose that step, it's going to take up to 4 weeks. But if you choose the online method, you want to get it right away. So it's highly recommended that you select the online method. And then once you click continue, you will receive your EIN letter. So what do you do with your EIN? So once you get your EIN, EIN helps you build business credit with banks and vendors. Each business needs a taxpayer identification number, okay, to open a business account. So this is what you need to open a business account. You use your Social Security to open a personal account, and you use your EIN to open a business account. So it's the same thing, it's just the EIN is used to open your business account. If you own a partnership, corporation, or employees, you would need to have an EIN as well. This is how you're going to pay everybody using your EIN when you're doing W-2s. So helpful tips. Always, business credit helps you get capital for your business without using your Social Security number, okay? So just remember that once you get your EIN, this is the first step of establishing business credit. You are now established with the IRS. Now you're able to establish business credit. So this is the first step of actually building business credit, okay? You can also apply for an EIN by mail, or you can fax it. You can, if you are not comfortable with doing it online, you can download the form SS4. I'll have that link in the description. Download the PDF, fill it out, fax it. The number is 1-859-669-5987, and the mailing address is Internal Revenue Service Center. Make sure you put attention EIN International Operation, Cincinnati, Ohio, zip code 45999. So there is no excuse on you not having your EIN. You have several ways of getting it done. Apply online now. And also, business credit is similar to personal credit. The main difference is that it is based on a credit profile generated off of an EIN, which is your employer identification number linked to the business rather than the Social Security linked to the individual. So just keep in mind that when applying for stuff in your business name, it's not attached to your personal. Now, sometimes vendors may pull your personal credit, but it's not reporting on your personal credit. So I'm going to start uploading videos on how to build business credit now. I think, I have enough videos on personal credit. Make sure you get that intact first. But now we're about to tap into business credit. So I hope you guys are ready for this year. I'm going to make sure you guys are well prepared on how to build this business credit, because this will change your life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on OnlyFans, where we discuss tips and hacks that we can't post on YouTube at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at designer soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.